Tense means time. In grammar, we use tenses to talk about actions, kalam. Narrative, past, at, present, and future. Tense shows the time of an action. For example, I eat is present tense. I ate is past tense. I will eat is future tense. Present tense has 4 types. First, simple present. The structure is subject plus V1. For example, I eat, she eats. In Tamil, naan saapittukkiren. It is used for daily habits and facts, like she works in office. The present continuous tense describes an action happening now. The structure is subject plus am, is, or are plus the verb with ing. Simple present is used for daily habits and facts. The structure is subject plus V1. For example, I eat or she eats. Present continuous is for actions happening now. The present perfect tense describes an action that happened in the past but is relevant now. For example, I have eaten and she has finished work. The present perfect continuous tense indicates an action that started in the past and is continuing in the present. The structure is subject plus has or have been pull. The first type is simple past. Next, past continuous for ongoing actions. Then, past perfect for completed actions for duration. First, the simple future tense. The structure is subject plus will plus the base verb. This is used for an action that will happen. Next, the going to future. The structure is, in English, I am go is wrong. The correct form is I am going. Similarly, she eat is incorrect. It should be she eats. Now you learned all tenses. Practice daily and speak confidently. Comment your example sentences below. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.